Welcome students. Now we can learn how to draw using shapes in Paint. This topic is based on computer practicals. Now we can learn in this section how to draw a simple sun using Shapes tool. In Paint there is ready-made shapes like rectangle, oval, triangle, etc. for your drawing. You can create many other types of shapes using this option present in the Shapes group. This arrow mark shows the Shapes tool in the MS Paint. This is the Line tool. This helps us to draw a straight line. So to draw a straight line, first we have to click on the Line tool in the Shapes group and then bring the mouse pointer on the drawing canvas and draw a line. Now this is the Curve tool. This tool is used to draw the curve line. To draw the curve, click on this Curve tool and bring it to the drawing canvas area and place at any point and drag it inward or outward to get a curved shape. And now this is the Oval tool. By selecting this Oval tool, we can draw circular shapes or elliptical shapes. So to draw a circle, hold on the Shift key while dragging the mouse pointer. And this is the Rectangle tool. It helps us to draw rectangle or square shaped figures. To draw the rectangle shape, select the Rectangle tool and bring the mouse pointer on the drawing canvas and draw the rectangle shape. Now in this section we can learn how to draw a simple sun using the Oval tool and Line tool in Paint. Now we can learn how to open the Paint in laptop or computer and how to draw in a simple way. Open the Paint by typing on the search bar, and if you click on the Paint, this screen will appear. So to draw a sun, first select the oval shape from the Shapes groups and draw diagonally on the drawing canvas to draw the circle shape using the Oval tool. Now we have drawn the sun. So now to draw the ray, select the Line tool from the Shapes group. Bring the mouse pointer on the drawing canvas. Place the mouse pointer from where we have to start the line and now drag till the end point. In the same way, we have to draw all the rays around the sun using the Line tool in Shapes group. So by selecting different shapes from the Shapes group, we can draw many different diagrams of our own idea. In the next section, we can learn how to draw the different pictures and how to color them using different colors. Hope you understand this section, how to draw a simple sun using the Oval tool and Line tool. Thank you.